Once you've given Business Central access to one of your bank accounts using the Banking Core app, you can start making payments. Let's see how that works. Within the banking payments, you'll see a list of all the payments that you've already made, and you can create new payments. Within this page, you can specify payments in a similar fashion as you would do in your e-banking. For each payment, you can have several payment instructions, each instruction with another creditor. Once you're finished, you can submit the payment to the bank, and as a last step, what you'll need to do is approve this payment within your e-banking or let it be approved by one of your supervisors. With a payment made, you can now see this one in the transactions overview, which you'll see in the banking accounts, which provides detailed information on the bank accounts. And in there, you'll see all the debits and credits, as well as the payment that we've just made.